Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, I am Pallavi and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. Now I know that waking up every morning and thinking of a new tiffin idea is really difficult. So we are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days created by India's most loved chefs. Today we are going to make vermicelli nugget. Now we all know that soya nuggets are full of protein, but they don't have any flavor of their own, and that is why kids are always reluctant to eat it. But if you'll prepare it this way, I am pretty sure they will ask for more and more. So let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So, to start making our delicious vermicelli nugget, we'll first heat the pan, add some oil. After the oil gets heated up, we'll add garlic, grated ginger और अब हम इसे थोड़ा सौते करेंगे जब तक वो भीनी भीनी सी खुशबू आने लगे जिंजर गार्लिक की। और अब ऐड करेंगे हेल्थ फैक्टर, रेड पेपर, येलो पेपर और थोड़े से गाजर। करीब 3 से 4 मिनट तक सौते करेंगे। और अब हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे हमारा किसान टमेटो केचप। Just around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Look how beautifully it has blended, and now this will give that required real tomato taste to our entire dish. Some nuggets. Just mix it well. और अब हम ऐड करेंगे हमारी वर्मिसेली और chopped spring onions, greens and whites, और स्प्रिंकल करेंगे थोड़ा सा नमक। अब बस इसे मिला लीजिए। So many beautiful colors in just one pan. So our delicious vermicelli nugget is ready. Let's pack the tiffin. This dish is so healthy, so much full of fibers and protein. और अब हम डालेंगे थोड़े से और fibers, kiwi, और बादाम। I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do hit the like button, subscribe to India Food Network, share the video with all your friends and family ताकि सब बनाए हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन।
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.